Welcome to the Haute Hair Show with me, Anker. So I've been a hairdresser for a long time, and wherever I go, wherever I am, people keep asking me, Rod, tell us the secret to having flawless hair every time we step outside the house. What's the best way to style our hair? What hairstyles to go for? And how often should I style my hair, because styling leads to heat damage, but I still want to look like a goddess. And then there's the burning question, how do I protect my hair from UV and heat damage, especially in these summer months when the sun is at its strongest? After years of dodging the questions, I'm here finally to spill the beans. From the hottest hairstyles to how to survive hair damage and UV damage, from top influencer hair secrets to the astras in our hair brahmastra. I hope I got that right. Find out the answers to all your hair questions on the Haute Hair Show with myself, Anker. Without any further delay, let me introduce you to the first guest on the Haute Hair Show. She's suave, she's a fashion diva, staying true to her Instagram bio. She hopes the gram look and feel better every time she posts. Please welcome the stunning Niharika Jain. Lovely to meet you. How are you?
Likewise, I'm good. How are you?
Very well, thank you. It's a pleasure to have you on the show today, Niharika. We've got so much to talk about, and we're going to spill the beans on how to get that perfect looking hair while minimizing UV damage.
I'm really excited for that. I think that's the most common problem that all the people out there face these days,
Absolutely.
the damage because of the heat. I am really looking forward to it.
Likewise, likewise. So let's get you ready for that perfect summer look with Philips UV Care.
Absolutely.
Shall we?
Yeah.
Awesome. So, I want to hear about all of your hair problems, all of your struggles, and all the issues that you have with your hair.
I have a lot of them.
Okay, maybe just one then.
Okay. So, you know what happens at times is my scalp is like really oily, but then the ends are like dead dry.
So, I have the perfect solution. Let me introduce you to the Philips UV Protect range.
Yeah? Sounds interesting.
Let's do this. Let's show you. So now that I'm here to give you a hair makeover with care, let's get you in the right position.
Okay.
So this is the Philips hairdryer from the UV Protect range. It's fantastic, super cute, and very easy to maneuver and pack and travel with. I'll show you in a second. But it also has mineral ionic care, which minimizes UV damage and gives you a frizz-free finish. The really good thing about this, it has 3 heat and speed settings, so you can choose what suits you best. And it gives you a really nice, healthy hair finish. So now that we've got your hair all blow-dried and frizz-free, let's get you that perfect style. So this is the Philips UV Protect hair straightener. So it minimizes UV and heat damage and acts as a sunscreen for the hair.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That sounds interesting. How exactly does it act as a sunscreen for hair?
It has amazing inbuilt technology that gives you a protective layer of zinc around your hair, which absorbs UV rays. That's how it offers you protection.
Oh, that sounds interesting. So do you think we can use this on like regular basis?
Absolutely, perfectly safe.
So you know what happens at times is whenever I'm straightening my hair, the straightener just get tangled in my hair and I pull my hair all the time. What should I do about it?
This has got you covered. It has argan oil infused ceramic plates which just glide through the hair. So anyway, that's enough talk about hair. Tell me about you. What's been happening with you? I saw you have been traveling.
Yeah, I was traveling to Vietnam. You know, the beaches there are just amazing. But then the sun, oh my God, I just couldn't style my hair because of the heat. All I was doing was put on a scarf on my hair just to protect them from the heat.
Well, now you know how to do it and how to protect it, right? So you're all set. You should organize a next trip.
Yay!
Okay, we're done, finished, voila. So it's my turn now to ask you some questions.
Okay.
A bit of a rapid fire, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so breathe in. Okay. Favorite celebrity hairstyle?
Oh, okay. So I think I'll go with beachy waves, and I think Deepika Padukone pulls.
Okay, didn't see that one coming.
Yeah.
Nice. Next one, you ready?
Yeah.
What would you prefer? Never to have frizzy hair or never experience heat damage?
Can I choose both of them?
Well, you can. That's why you're here, right?
That's my answer then.
That's your answer. Lock it in. Okay. What hair care advice would you give your 18-year-old self?
I think I'll tell her to just go with the flow and try new trends. I mean, I've always been scared of cutting my hair short.
Why?
Do you suggest any haircut?
Yeah, obviously. Let's cut it short today. No, I'm joking. But no, like at the end of the day, it's only hair and it grows, right?
Yeah,
So that's
exactly.
sort of
That's
thing.
fun.
So that was fun. We've finished. How do you feel?
You know, Rod, I just love the styling. I think my hair looks much more smoother. And you know what? I think, I'm sorry, but I don't need you anymore.
Wow, so
I've got
nasty.
my perfect hairstyling buddy now.
Awesome. That's good to hear and I'm glad. So thank you so much for coming in today and we'll have to catch up very soon.
Yes, of
And
course.
I'm super happy that you've got all the tools and the knowledge on how to look after your hair. So thank you so much for coming.
Yay.
Healthy, beautiful hair will always be in style. So introduce the Philips UV Protect range into your styling arsenal and give yourself the care you deserve. I love the concept of gifting, and the best gift you can give to the ones you love is a gift of care. There's a summer special active on Myntra on the entire Philips UV Protect range. Check out the caption in the video for more details. Stay fabulous, style with care. And from here on, don't forget to turn your UV protection on whenever you style. Until then, see you next week when we'll have another creator and their stories and struggles on hair and my expert solutions. Remember, it's not styling if there is no care.